I'm Dr. Komal. I'm a dentist from India, but currently based out of Singapore. So actually, I'm working as a nutrition and fitness coach here, and so I wanted to expand my business options through digital marketing. That's why I decided to learn more about digital marketing because as I'm a service provider, so it's really necessary to have a digital marketing support to expand your business. That's why. So when I decided to learn more about digital marketing, I started my research online, and it took me around 1 to 2 months to decide the correct platform for me because I was looking for the trustworthy platform. Plus, when I was looking for the different curriculum, so I wanted to have the structured curriculum that has not just the theory part, but even the practical part. So, and also the affordability part. So, I found all these and confirmed my decision on Digital Vidya.